morning, guys. We are on our way to Up Garage to get the car retuned and see what the new turbos and everything can do. Julia and I are on our way, having a good time, right, Julia? Yep. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everybody.
All right, so let's get on the road, and I'll catch back up with you guys at Up Garage. All right, guys, we have made it to Up Garage. You can see there's a bunch of different GTRs and stuff. We're gonna drop the car off and get it tuned. I just talked to Matt, and he's gonna fix the water pump and the leak from there, and we're gonna get the intake manifold, throttle bodies, everything all done. Valve covers, there's an issue with the powder coating on the color, which I won't reveal, it'll be a surprise, but they're gonna do that later on. And here we go. So when we return back, we'll be coming back to do the pickup, and I'll reveal the dyno information and all the different stuff on that. So this is the Remade and USA kit. Everything's fully fresh zinced, gold zinc. What was that old stuff called? Cadmium plating?
It used to be cadmium.
So it used to be cadmium,
That's
which was
actually
green.
zinc plating.
This is zinc now.
Yeah, gold zinc.
Everything looks brand new, better than new. So when we come back and get the car after dyno tuning, this will be on there. Doesn't look nice, Julia? Awesome?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Nice little Honda truck. Kind of cool. We're Up Garages. It's right by the Cheers. It's kind of tucked off of the street here in University Place. It goes down the long driveway there. It's the last turn at the left. But I'm super excited. I'm pumped. My car should be done in like a week or so. So I'll be back, and looking forward until then. And hopefully I can get in here and get some dyno shots depending on my schedule. Finally, it's here. Holy crap, guys, I ordered this part back in September, and it is finally freaking here. This is from Right Hand Drive Japan, and of course it is the long-awaited Nismo oil separator. Let's open it up.
I don't have friends. I got family.
Oh, I'm so excited. Finally. Oh, man. Everything, let's get it pulled out. Oh, yes, it's happening. Oh, so excited. So let's get a good look at what comes in the box. Looks like some heat wrapping for the exhaust protection. You get a gasket for the oil drain. This piece looks really nice. Looks like it has like a little bit of a zinc coating on it, just like factory stuff does. Pretty cool looking. And this is the T that's going to go at the top by the gas lines off of the valve covers. And this is actually bigger than I thought it would be, the oil separator. So this guy, man, what a pain. It's the bracket that goes onto the tower with this, and the instructions manual. This is just a quick sneak peek today. We'll finish installing this once we get the GTR back from Up Garage and they're done with their dyno tuning. But man, I have been waiting for this for so long. I can't even tell you the frustration of this thing getting canceled on me twice. Like postponing my build, waiting to install the turbos. And if you guys haven't seen my turbo install video, here's a few short clips. If you'd like to watch that video, I'll have a tag at the top of the screen. Supposed to try to put it all in one solid unit, so it would have been a lot easier, but I can easily get access to this underneath. I'm just worried about, I was worried about tightening the bolt here, but it looks like I should be able to access both easily. You can see they designed it so you can have access. I thought maybe that this was going to block this bolt, and so it's not going to be an issue.
Share the love, peace.
I would come inside and just get a quick look at everything, but this is the letter from Right Hand Drive Japan. Dear Joshua, thank you for choosing Right Hand Drive Japan. So they send you a nice letter every time you order something, which is cool. Model number for this, and it's for the BNR 32 specifically, as you guys can see. But this is what I was concerned about, is the oil drain. The return is here. This is the where the oil comes out of the bottom turbo and goes back into the oil pan. And then this is the piece that they added on. For some reason, when I looked at the photo online, I thought that this piece came out and went that way and blocked this screw, so I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to get to access to the 10mm bolt there. But you don't have to worry about it. It's nice zinc plated. I'm going to go drop all this stuff off. I want to powder coat this black. Let me know what you guys think in the color, for the color in the description down below. So I'm going to powder coat this, this, and this, so everything's going to look nice and black and blend in and not stand out. I also have a Cusco master cylinder brace that I've had sitting in the garage for like a year and a half that I haven't installed because I don't, as much as I like Cusco and I like their color scheme, I don't like the color blue in the engine bay. So we're going to go ahead and drop this off and get this all powder coated at the same time. For it'll be about $100. And I wanted to show you guys one of these nice rubber hoses. Really nice quality. Stuff looks really nice. The welds here are really kind of cool looking. I'm not sure what this is made out of. Almost feels like it's titanium, but I don't know. So yeah, we'll get these brackets all done up. And these are the hose clamps. Real nice. Zip ties. You've got your Nismo official certificate of authenticity. Anytime you get something from Nismo, that's your paperwork certifying that it's legit. So let's go drop these off at the powder coater. I'll catch up with you guys there, and hopefully I'll see if they'll let me film some color choices. This is Premier Powder Coating and Sandblasting, and they're located in Puyallup. Let's go drop off our parts. Side, let me show you the color we picked out. Which one was it? It was the
BK08.
So we're gonna go with BK08, which is a 20% gloss black, so it should look pretty good. So stay tuned, we'll get that done and get it thrown on the car in the next video. Alright, I'm pretty excited. They're saying it's gonna be about a 2-week turnaround with that color that we did. We went with a very common black that they do everything in, so it shouldn't be too bad. I gotta go to up garage real quick. We gotta drop off the radiator shroud that I forgot to yesterday, so they can put that new one on the radiator, and I think that'll be the end of today's video. Guys, we are back home. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm super excited about this Nismo oil separator. It took forever to come, and I was going to install it, as you can see on the video there, in the original unfinished aluminum. Erik from Up Garage was the one that messaged me, "You're going to powder coat it black, right?" So that was last night. So then he got my wheels turning, and of course the black finished is going to look much better in the engine bay, especially with the valve covers, the intake manifold, the throttle bodies. Everything's going to look clean, fresh, and super sexy. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video, which will be me finishing the Sylvia. It's pretty much already back together. I won't have time to edit the video because I'm busy between work, YouTube, family. I just can't produce the content fast enough. I just don't have the time. But I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.